Oh, so what are you doing?
Never gonna do this at home. Okay?
You telling me not to do this at home?
No.
Why?
Because it's gonna make you so mad.
What happened? Why did you stop?
Because I hear strange noise.
You heard a what?
Strange noise.
A strange noise? Okay.
That's strange noise. I must sort this out. What is chocolate?
Okay, Austin, I think that's enough for the magic trick. It's time to go to bed now.
But must promise to never say that again.
What? Say what again?
Dang, what did you say to me?
That it's time to go to bed?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because it is time to go to bed. Excuse me.
What? I'm trying to do something.
Oh, so I understand that, but I need you to go to bed. Oh, so I need you to go to bed.
But first I need to cut this egg.
Okay, but I need you to go to bed.
Okay, Mommy, I'm going to bed right now.
Thank you,
Coming
baby.
to with you. I'm supposed to come when I wait for you.
Okay.
Waiting for you to come.
Oh, let me ask you something. That paper is from the cookie bin. What did you do with the cookies?
I'm right here.
Okay. So, thank you so much. Tell the audience thank you for watching.
Thank you watching
You gotta go to...
Junior Sprouts.
Oh, you're Sprout Junior now?
Yes.
Okay. You know, they removed the Sprout channel and called it Universal Kids now. So I guess Austin wants to make his own TV channel. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Have a splendid night.